Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us today. We are here to present the result of our analysis titled Comparison Analysis of Cross-Platform Frameworks for E-commerce Application Development. This presentation is prepared by myself, Muhammad Ramadan Aditya Putra, and my colleague, Rizky Raffiandika. We are from the Department of Computer Science, Bina Nusantara University. We hope this presentation provides valuable insights, especially in choosing the best framework for e-commerce app development. Let's begin. Next. In this slide, we will introduce the topic of our study. As we know, the growth of mobile technology has revolutionized software development. However, platform fragmentation often becomes a significant challenge for developers, especially in reaching users across multiple devices. Cross-platform frameworks such as Flutter, React Native, and Xamarin provide a solution by enabling application development from a single code base across multiple platforms. This approach not only reduces cost but also ensures near-native performance. In the context of e-commerce, these frameworks support the development of applications with essential features, such as fast development, secure payment systems, and personalized features. The goal of this analysis is to assist developers in selecting the best framework for e-commerce app development based on the unique requirements of their project. Next. Let's move on the literature review of the frameworks we evaluated. The first one is Flutter. This framework developed by Google enables the development of application for Android, iOS, web, and desktop for a single code base. Flutter uses Dart programming language and the Skya graphics engine, delivering near-native performance with features like hot reload and wide range of plugins. Flutter is highly suitable for e-commerce applications that require dynamic user interfaces, payment processing, and product recommendation. The second one is React Native, developed by Facebook. React Native supports cross-platform application development using JavaScript and React, known for its simplicity, strong community support, and near-native performance. React Native is ideal for e-commerce apps that need dynamic features and rapid development. And the third one is Xamarin, created by Microsoft. Xamarin allows cross-platform development using the C# programming language. It provides deep access to native APIs, resulting in near-native performance. Xamarin is ideal for enterprise-level e-commerce applications that require back-end integration and high stability. Next. For this study, we applied a qualitative approach to understand how the frameworks we evaluated support the development of e-commerce application. The frameworks were assessed based on several aspects, including the first one is performance, such as CPU and memory usage. Second one is functionality to ensure smooth application operation, and the third one is user experience, focusing on intuitive and visually appealing designs. We also conducted simulated activities to test their usability, including browsing products, completing checkout processing, and managing user accounts. This approach provided a comprehensive understanding of each framework supports the development of responsive and user-friendly e-commerce application. Next. In this study, we use the Agile approach to evaluate Flutter, React Native, and Xamarin. The process consisted of 5 main stages. The first one is brainstorming, or defining test factors and creating an initial plan. The second one is design, developing the application architecture and testing plans. The third one is development, building the application incrementally with an iterative approach. And the fourth is quality assurance, or testing performance and usability based on predefined criteria. And the fifth is deployment, or launching the application and analyzing the results to recommend the best framework. This method ensured that our evaluation was comprehensive, efficient, and iterative. That's the discussion on these 5 slides. Next, we will explore the results and conclusions of this research which will be presented by my colleague, Rizky Rafiandika. And the time is yours.
Okay, thank you for Ramadan for your presentation. For the next session, I will explain our decision about our research. And the first, we have discussion. Uh, we have a device setup. In our study. We utilize a modest device setup equals with a processor and 4 GB of RAM. This configuration allow us to create a stable environment for debugging and test across the 3 framework: Flutter, React Native, and Xamarin. The devices perform was sufficient for evaluating resource utilize and UI rendering capabilities, ensuring and compatibility with modern development tools. The second one, we have memory usage. Based on our analysis, Flutter emerged as a most effective choice in terms of memory usage and overall performance. Although it requires slightly more memory than React Native, Flutter strike a good balance between resource demand and the ability to create dynamic responses user interface. React Native also demonstrate commendable performance, making suitable for rapid development project. Conventionally, Xamarin consume more resource, but it remain a solid choice for application needing complex backend integration. And we have execution speed. Our tasks show minimal differences in setup time among the framework. Flutter took 2.34 seconds, React Native took 2.4 seconds, and Xamarin have to 2.43 seconds. While these differences may not significantly experience impact and user experience for simple application, they could become more pronounced as application scale. As complexity increase, the speed of reboot and hot reload in Flutter and React Native can offer advantage in development efficiency. And the last one on our discussion, we have code complexity. When choosing between Flutter, React Native, and Xamarin for e-commerce application, the decision large high on project specific needed. Below our on dummy project, like you can see, we have Flutter, React Native, and Xamarin. Both Flutter and React Native offer streamlined processes for building visualize appealing UIs, while Xamarin provide deeper integration with native features. Now we move to conclusion. In our discussion, we conclude our analysis indicate that Flutter is the most suitable framework for developing e-commerce application. It offers an excellent balance of performance, responsibility, and visual appear UIs, essential for meeting the demand of modern e-commerce platform. React Native is the strong alternative for project, prioritize rapid development and eventually, while Xamarin remain viable for enterprise level application is higher resource consumption make it less optimized for e-commerce. Okay, thank you for your participation and listening our presentation. I'm Rizky Raffiandika and my partner, Muhammad Ramadan Aditya Putra. We appreciate your attention and hope our insight help you in your future development project.